Welcome to the series of episodes on mathematics. This series of episodes includes Vedic mathematics, mathematic puzzles, riddles, and some other most essential techniques from arithmetic and reasoning, which are very useful to the candidates, those who are appearing for competitive examinations, and some other essential techniques from regular mathematics. And this episode deals with magic squares. What is a magic square? A magic square can be defined as an array of numbers which are arranged in the form of squares, so that the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column, and in two main diagonals total the same. The sum of the numbers is known as magic constant. It is an arrangement of numbers from 1 to n square in an n by n matrix, which with each number occurring exactly once. Today we deal with 3 by 3, 5 by 5 and 7 by 7 magic squares. How to fill these type of magic squares only odd by odd. In next episode we deal with even by even, that is 4 by 4, 6 by 6 and 8 by 8 like magic squares. Today we deal, now the first magic square is 3 by 3 magic square. Most of you know how to fill this 3 by 3 magic square. That is, I think we by hearted the positions of the numbers where they occupy. Here it is a third order matrix, that is 3 square equal to 9. We should take 1 to 9 numbers without repeating. We should fill these 1 to 9 numbers in these boxes so as to get 15 as magic constant. 15 means sum of the numbers in first row, second row, third row, all are same. That is equal to 15. That is called a magic constant. That magic constant formula is n into n square plus 1 by 2, where n equal to here 3. Substitute 3 value here. 3 into 3 square plus 1 by 2 gives 15 as result. So that is a magic constant. We find magic constant. So we find the magic constant here. Now to get the magic constant, fill all these 9 numbers here in these boxes. First number is 1. We should fill 1 in middle box of the first row. Then right upwards diagonally. Follow my instructions. Right upwards diagonally. There is no place, so we have to come down to fill second box with 2. Now right upwards diagonally. There is no place. Come leftwards. 3. Then go right upwards. There is a box, but it is not empty. It is filled with 1. So that is why I come down here. 4. Now go right upwards. 5, 6. And now go right upwards. There is no box. Even if we go down, there is no box even there also. So that is why we have to fill next number here itself. Now right upwards, there is no box. So that is why come leftwards to fill next number 8. Right upwards, so there is no box, come down, that is 9. If we consider these numbers, we can get the magic constant of 15. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, like that. Any row gives 15, any column gives 15, any diagonal gives 15. Now we go for 5 by 5 magic square now itself. That is, there are 25 boxes because 5 square equal to 25. There are 25 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. 25. Here we have to use 1 to 25 numbers to get the magic constant of k equal to n into n square plus 1 by 2. If we substitute, that is n is 5. 5 into 5 square plus 1 by 2, it gives 65 as a result. Now we have to find the sum of 65 in any row or any columns. The first number is 1. We should fill the 1 in middle box of the first row. What is the middle box here? Fill 1 here. Now similarly, as we followed in first box, first magic square, go rightward upwards, right upwards diagonally. There is no box. We did not find any box here. That is why I come down at the bottom. That is 2. Now right upwards diagonally. That is 3. Now right upwards diagonally. there is no box, so that is why go leftwards, fill box 4. And now right upwards diagonally 5, right upwards diagonally, but we did not find any empty box here, fill 6 here. Now right upwards diagonally 7, 8, right upwards diagonally we should fill 9 here, but there is no box, so that is why come down, that is 9. Now leftwards come this side here 10. Now there is no box, there is no empty box, that is why come down 11 here. Now right upwards diagonally 12, 13, 14, 15. Now if we go right upward diagonal, we did not find any box here, even we did not find box at here also, that is why we should fill 16 here. Now right upwards diagonally, where there is no box, come leftwards 17. Now right upwards diagonally, we did not find any box here, come down 18. Now I think you understand 19, 20, there is no place, right? Fill here 21, 22, there is no place, come here 22, here sorry 23. Now 24, right upwards, there is no place, come down 25. Then you can find, you can check 17 plus 24 is 31, 41 and 42, 50 plus 15 is 65. Any row we get 65 as a magic constant. Similarly, we can also fill 7 by 7 matrix very easily, even 9 by 9 matrix very easily. We are able to find even magic constant at very faster rate. Now we go with 7 by 7. There are 7 boxes, 7 columns, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. There are 7 columns, 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the magic constant is k equal to 7 into 7 squared plus 1 by 2. That implies 175. Here the first number is, we should fill 1 to 49 numbers. First number we should fill here the middle box of the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the middle box, first row. Right upwards diagonally, no box. 2, 3, 4. No box. Where we have to go? 5, 6, 7. No box. Of course the box is filled with 1. 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14. But no place. 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, here, 21, no place, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, no place, we should come down here, 29, no place, 30, then come down, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. The box is filled with 29, so come down, 36, 37, here, come here, 38, 39, now 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, here come 49, that's it. We can find magic constant of 175 in any row, any column, these two main diagonals. Thank you for watching and please subscribe Winner's Weapon. This is Lammathu Srinivas Rao. Thank you for watching. Thank you.